Hi guys, Dave FX Hunter here with my Forex market preview for the next following week, 22 January till 27. So, Aussie dollar, we have a monthly uptrend up, arriving to the supply zone. And what I see as well on the weekly, we can see that the supply zone is nested. The same is on the daily. So what I expect now, I expect that the market will probably drop a bit, and we need to create another leg for the continuation of the uptrend, because this trend is really overextended. So I believe that the market could drop somewhere around here, around this daily area, around the 0.77247, and there I will be looking for the longs again. So for now it could be short-term shorts if you want to trade a counter trend, but overall it's a strong uptrend, so I'll be waiting for the longs. GBP USD, very strong uptrends over all time frames, so there is no reason to go shorts, but now it's I think it's too late to go longs. But what we can see, these trends are overextended as well, and what could happen is something like that. We can see some we could possibly see some correction to the daily demand zones. So what is actually slowly happening on the 4 hours, we can see this bearish engulfing candle, what could happen here is as well something like a correction to the top, and then drop here, where I will be looking for the longs. Euro USD, similar situation. We have a monthly uptrend, weekly uptrend. Weekly we are on the supply zone where some corrections will be coming, so what we can already see on the 4 hours time frame here. So here there will be some possibility for the short-term shorts, but overall we are in strong uptrend. So on the daily there will be I will be looking for the longs for the moment. Next one is Kiwi Australian dollar. So we have a monthly uptrend, but there is a supply zone in the control. So right now we can see something like more like a consolidation, and weekly we can see strong correction of this downtrend arriving to the supply zone. So what I expect now, I expect some corrective move, and I will be looking for the longs later. So for now, I want to see what's gonna happen with this supply zone on the daily, and if it breaks down, if it will start to breaking through this trend line, then I will be looking to short to the daily demand zone. So, and as well, there's something similar has to happen on the 4 hours. Then I will be, if these cracks will be coming as well, I will be looking for the volume. This is what I still work with the volume, but for me at the moment it's more important the price action than I'm looking for the volume. So right now short-term shorts on the Canadian dollar, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So we have a monthly downtrend sitting on the demand zone, and there is a problem to create the new lower low. So what I see now, there is a potential move on the weekly to the up to the supply zone for the retest. So now overall, even if we are in the downtrend on the monthly, I can see possibility to move up to retest the supply zone. So this is actually already happening on the 4 hours where was the demand zone created. We'll be testing this supply zone. On the daily we have an engulfing candle, so possible move up. US dollar, Japanese yen. So what I see here, monthly it's a little bit there was something like a downtrend, but now I can see some consolidation and supply zone in the control, creating the engulfing candle. So I believe it could be possibly a continuation of the downtrend. Daily as well, nice engulfing candle with creating lower low. This is good signs of the continuation of the downtrend. But daily we are sitting on the demand zone, and the 4 hours demand zone is already creating something like a small. There's some signs of the bullishness with this engulfing candle and the retest of these demand zones. So what I can see possibility to move up back to retest this area around the 1.12, this which is in the confluence, and then continuation of the downtrend. So now short-term longs, and then from this supply zone around 1.12, which will be somewhere here, testing this trend line. So I believe there is a possible downtrend move lower for the big drop. Cross is AUD-CAD. AUD-CAD is the pair which I like now a lot, because we have a break of this monthly downtrend line, and what we can see as well is very strong candle on the monthly. As well on the weekly, there is already like two legs creating on this formation, 1 2 3, with this bearish with this bullish engulf. But right now we coming to the supply zone, where we can see some slowdown of the uptrend. So what I expect now that there could be some corrective move, some correction to this daily demand zone. So what I will be looking for is a drop, and then the longs, because overall this could be a very nice move uptrend. So I will be looking for the longs, not shorts. Even there could be some correction now. Euro Aussie is the monthly on the uptrend, but the problems with the breaking the supply zone, and slowly we are breaking through the monthly trend line. Weekly we can see some strong engulfing candle with some side move, which could be something like a consolidation. And then what I expect now on the daily a little bit move upwards, which could on the daily this move upwards a little bit up. It will be this retest of this demand zone, and it's already happening on the 4 hours. We can see some bullish movement, then retest. So then if this supply zone will be removed, then the possible continuation of up will be here. But this strong engulfing candle, and if I will see the volume and the retest of this trend line, then I will be looking for the shorts. Euro GBP, this pair is now in the nowhere. So what I see here, I see some uptrend on the monthly, but I can see as well the problems to break through this supply zone. I see the engulfing candle, and now daily we are in the move to the side, but I believe this demand zone will be broken. This demand zone will be broken, and there will be possibility to continuation of the trend of the move down. But for the moment this is not clear. And I need to see clear break of this supply zone. So when this gonna happen here, then I will be looking for the shorts on these areas created here. So something like this. So but now it's unclear scenario for me, so I stay away, and I will be waiting what's gonna happen next. EuroCAD, this is pretty nice charts here. I will be looking for the longs. So I see monthly uptrend test of the demand zone. There is still enough room for the test of this monthly supply. Daily as well, uptrend, strong engulfing candle. Weekly, sorry, this was weekly. Daily we have a nice strong departure from this demand zone with disposing. So now what I need to see, the removing of this supply zone, creating this new demand area, and then longs from here, and as well from here. Euro New Zealand dollar monthly uptrend, problem to create new high. I see as well the engulfing candle creating with rejection from the supply zone, breaking through the trend line. And as well on the weekly we already trend line is already broken, and the daily creating a new supply zone. So what possibly could happen now, some short-term longs to this higher area, and retest of this supply zone on the weekly and the monthly, and then shorts. So the short-term long, long-term shorts. Euro Japanese yen, this chart is in the strong uptrend, but we've been in some monthly consolidation, so we can see this overextended uptrend here on the monthly. As well the daily is uptrend, but the problems to create a new higher highs, so there is probably some strong supply zone, and daily we can see the drop and retest again. So for the moment I think there will be some possibility for the shorts, but if this supply zone is broken, then I will be looking for the long. So now it's very important what's gonna happen here and here. So for the moment there could be some possible short-term movements, but it's very important what's gonna happen around these highs. Aussie Japanese yen monthly strong uptrend, but this supply zone seems to be strong, so I will wait for a while what's gonna happen here. As well we can see same on the weekly, the supply zone is very strong, so there will be potential some retracements to this weekly demand zones, and then possible another attack of this supply zone. So for the moment I want to see confirmations on the daily. I'll be looking for some bearish volume coming in, and then potentially potential shorts into these areas, 85 somewhere here. So let's see how the market will behave next week. GBP Japanese yen strong uptrends as well. My charts are somehow slow today. Strong uptrends as well, but coming to the strong supply zone. So it's nice uptrends, but I will not to take longs into the supply zone. So this is same like shorting to the supports or taking longs to the resistances. Right now I stay away from this chart. CAD Japanese yen, so what I see here is a monthly uptrend, big rejection on the supply zone, creating this pin bar, which this pin bar is actually creating this engulfing candle on the weekly, strong rejection. So this could possibly drop lower, but overall we can see that this is the uptrend. So for now I stay with the bears, but I wanna see what's gonna happen when we arrive in these areas on the daily chart, in this area. So I will be looking closely what the volume and what the price action is gonna be happening here. Then potentially I will see the potential for the longs. Australian dollar kiwi. Monthly uptrend, but the uptrend is weak. There's the big problems to break these highs and to get over this supply zone. So it looks more like a consolidation. So what I expect here is that this price action could bring us low into this monthly demand area. On the weekly we already have a downtrend confirmed, so So yeah, this could be potential downward move on the daily. We already have confirmed downtrend. So shorts from this daily supply zones. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. This chart is a little bit messy, not clear. Monthly, this looks more like consolidation between supply and demand zone in very short place. Daily as well, something similar. The market is nowhere. It's too late for taking longs or shorts. So maybe only on the daily we could possibly take some shorts if this trend line is broken and we can see some nice bearish volume coming in. But I stay away from this chart for now because the scenario is not clear. GBP New Zealand dollar, monthly uptrend, creating a bearish engulfing candle. Weekly trend line is broken, creating a new supply zone, and daily is a downtrend, and 4 hours is consolidating up. So the possible scenario could be that on the weekly we can actually could go up to retest the supply zone, which is somewhere here on the monthly, and then we will see if the supply zone is removed. Then we'll be looking for the potential longs on the corrections. If the supply zone stays and I see some nice volume coming in, which will be somewhere here, then I will be looking for the shorts. New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. So we have a monthly downtrend, but the strong monthly demand zone in the control, creating rejections. On the weekly is already confirmed uptrend. So daily as well. This demand zone looks, supply zone looks weak. I think it's gonna be broken, and the 4 hours as well, nice uptrend. So I will wait till this supply zone is broken, and then I will be possibly looking for the longs on the correction with enough space to the weekly supply zone, which is potential trade for something like a 500 pips. This one is nice. GBP Aussie. Yeah, monthly uptrend coming to the supply zone, which seems pretty strong, and I can see some nice rejection. It's overshoot but not closed above, which giving me the clue that there is a possible some bearishness coming in, but I will not take a short now. First I want to see what I see here on the daily. It's a broken the trend line, supply zone, demand zone, which is taking the control. So I believe there could be some move up, which will on the weekly come here, and then I will be looking for the shorts if this area of the supply zone is not broken. There will be move downwards to accumulate more power and then continue up. This is the scenario what could happen. GBP CAD, what we have here, we have a monthly consolidation with the supply zone creating a nice move and push up, and on the daily we have already the uptrend, but what I'm waiting now for is this supply zone to be eliminated, and then I will be looking for the correction, and where I will be taking the longs. If this supply zone stays, if it's not gonna be broken and close up, so there will be definitely we saw some bearish volume, then the potential shorts could be in the game. So this is what we have to see as well on the daily, the break of this demand zone. So this is the pairs, then the gold. Yes, gold monthly uptrend, weekly overextended leg coming to the supply zone, where I see the market is a little bit slowing down, which we can see as well here on the daily. So now for the moment I definitely want to go long on the gold, but I will not be taking longs here. This is too much up. So what I expect the market drop down, potentially creating new area of the demand somewhere here, and I will be looking for the long. Of course, the best could be if the market drop all the way down here and enter the longs here, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I think they will come back maybe somewhere here to 1.20, somewhere around 12.80. This could be we will see what the market will be doing here. So right now I stay away, and I'm not gonna short because I don't see any bearishness signs coming in, so I'm not gonna short, and I will be waiting for the long. So for the moment I stay away for this market. And something similar is actually happening on the silver as well. So we have a monthly in the consolidation, weekly we have this overextended uptrend, but the problem is that the market is not even in the supply area, so no shorts, no longs, nothing. I will wait till the market come to some area which is interesting for me to get longs, which could be here, or to get shorts maybe here. But now we are nowhere, so I don't do nothing. Maybe we could take some short-term shorts on the 4 hours time frame, but this could happen. So short-term shorts possible as well. On the daily we breaking the trend line, so this could be when this area is removed, then we can take shorts. Okay, so this is all for the now. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to join me on the Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, or links are in the YouTube video descriptions. Okay, thank you very much and have a nice weekend. Bye bye.